Hello friends, I hope you all are fine and happy. Today we are unboxing a beauty luggage set. Really pinky and beautiful beauty luggage set for the kids, for the girls. I'm so excited for opening it. It's so amazing and nice and lovely things you can see. Little girls really enjoy this luggage bag. They can walk and they can take it outside. It's so easy to tow. Now it's time to open it. Are you excited? But I am very excited. Now we open it. Here we go. We open it. Wow. It's a small mirror. Wow, so pinky and nice. And it's a piece of a beauty box. You can put all the beauty things here. And there is so many things: nail polish, brushes, bangle, lipsticks, and this is also pieces of beauty box. When we fix it, then we show it. And this is a very nice hair dryer. Yay! Now we read it, how to fix it. Beauty luggage, and there is a stickers for the decoration, so kid will be very happy. Now it's time to fix a mirror like this, very nicely, and remove the sheet. Look, the mirror is very clean. Now put the piece of beauty box here and fix it very nicely, smoothly. Look, it's so easy to fix it. And now we open the accessories. There is so many things. I will show you. Here is a mirror. Wow. Here is a little brush for the princess. Looks so good. Here's a lipstick. Very nice. Now we fix all the things. We put cap on the nail polishes, like one. Here's another nail polish. We fix the cap. Looks so nice. And here's a lipstick, invisible lipstick, so kids will be enjoy very much. Here's another lipstick. We fix it. And here is a heart pin, so very nicely we pin it. Another pin, hair pin, and here is a ring. Look, it's so lovely ring. It's a blue one. It's a pink heart. It's another blue. It's so nice. It's pink flower one. So nice ring. And here is the most nice beautiful earrings. Here's a bracelet. Look at that, it's so beautiful. I wear it. Look, it's so nice. Lovely. Hair dry. I like it. Let's on it. Very nice pinky hair dryer. Let's try on a kid. Let's try on a girl. hairs. Very nice. Wow, it's worked so good. Now we fix the parts of the beauty box like this. So then we arrange all the beauty things here. Look nicely and very easily. And put some decoration, sticker here, flowers, Elsa, and many more things. Look, very flowery butterfly sticker. Stick here like this, nicely, smoothly, and put another princess sticker, beauty princess sticker here. Look, it's so nice and looks very enhancing the beauty of beauty box. I'm sure my girl will very happy when she see the beauty box. So it's the last one sticker we put here nicely. Now all the sticker completed. So it's time to fix and arrange all the beauty things in the beauty box very nicely, so it looks so beautiful and attractive for the kids, for the girls. All the nail polishes and lipstick I put over there, and the earrings here nicely, very nicely. Now we put the rings, all the rings in the circle, so we find easily. And here's a bracelet, it's very cute and nice bracelet, colorful. And here's a pen. Here we put the hair dryer and the brush and the mirror in the other side of the beauty box. So it looks ready to show you. Wow, it's amazing playing game and playing for the chilling for the girls party. It's really amazing. It's too good. I hope you like my video, and I hope you like how I arranged all the things in the beauty box like this. It looks so pretty. I hope you like my unboxing video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.